2025 MasterCraft fleet comes stacked with features designed to elevate your on-water experience. Each MasterCraft model across our fleet comes equipped with SurfStar, our comprehensive integrated surf system that creates an unrivaled surf experience and easily delivers thousands of wave options, from mellow and beginner-friendly to steep and powerful. Simply select a rapid surf preset, and SurfStar automatically generates the perfect wave for any skill level. For those who like to fine-tune their wave, the custom surf interface allows for full control of speed, ballast, and surf device position. New for 2025, XT and X models also feature a large countdown screen, assisting with wave transfers by counting riders down from 3 before switching from one side to the other.